Today, we're diving deep into two powerful tools for your retirement future, the 401a and 401k plans. If you've ever wondered how to supercharge your savings, you're in the right place. Imagine your retirement as a long, relaxing vacation. These plans are like your personal travel fund, growing steadily while you work. Both the 401a and 401k are employer-sponsored retirement accounts, meaning your job helps you save. They come with some sweet tax benefits and let you stash away pre-tax dollars, which is a big win for your wallet right off the bat. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. The 401a plan has actually been around since the 1950s, but it's really gained traction recently as more people get serious about their financial future. You'll often find these plans at government agencies, schools, and nonprofits. Think of it as a well-established, reliable friend. Now, the 401k is probably a name you hear more often. It burst onto the scene in 1978 and quickly became a staple in employee benefits packages, especially with private companies. So while both help you save, they tend to hang out in different types of workplaces. When it comes to getting started, both plans have pretty similar eligibility rules. Generally, you need to be 21 or older and have worked for your employer for about 1 to 2 years. But here's a little secret. Your employer sets the exact terms, so always double-check with your HR department.
Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to Northwest Registered Agent. It is a professional formation service that includes LLC filing, registered agent services, and business formation. They offer excellent privacy protection and customer service from agents around the United States at a reasonable cost. Northwest Registered Agent offers a service in which they can file your LLC for you without any hassle. Don't forget to check out the link and full review of Northwest Registered Agent in the description below.
It's like a personalized welcome package for your retirement journey. Now, what about employers? The IRS has some clear guidelines for setting these up. First, employers need a written plan detailing all the rules. Second, they have to designate a trust fund to hold all that valuable retirement money. Think of it as a secure vault for your future. And finally, meticulous record keeping is a must. Tracking contributions, withdrawals, and everything in between. Plus, they need to keep you, the employee, fully in the loop about all the plan's juicy details. Transparency is key. Let's talk numbers. Specifically, contributions and limits, because this is where things get interesting. For 2024, the total contribution limit for 401a plans was a generous $69,000, while 401ks capped at $23,000, with an extra $70,500 catch-up for those 50 and over. But hold on to your hats for 2025. The 401k limit jumped to $23,500, and the 401a soared to $70,000. And if you're between 60 and 63, your 401k catch-up limit gets a fantastic boost to $11,250. These limits are in place because these are usually pre-tax contributions, and the government wants to make sure everyone plays fair. Here's a major difference. Employer contributions. With a 401a, employers must contribute to the plan. It's mandatory, like a built-in bonus for your future. For 401ks, however, employer contributions are optional. But many companies offer matching contributions as a fantastic perk. Imagine this. If you contribute 8% of your paycheck, your employer might match the first 4%. That's essentially free money for your retirement. It's like finding extra coins in your couch cushions, but way better. Now, for you, the employee, your contributions are typically voluntary. You decide if and how much you want to save. However, some 401a plans might ask you to make a minimum contribution. It's a small commitment that pays huge dividends later. And speaking of employer contributions, sometimes they come with a vesting schedule. This means there's a specific time frame before you fully own the money your employer put in. It's like earning loyalty points. The longer you stay, the more of those contributions become truly yours. These schedules can vary, so it's always good to understand your plan's specifics. All right, let's talk about the super attractive part: tax benefits. Both 401a and 401k plans are tax superheroes. You contribute pre-tax dollars, meaning you don't pay income taxes on that money now. Instead, you pay taxes when you withdraw it in retirement. Meanwhile, your money grows completely tax-deferred. For 401as, employer contributions are mandatory, and while employee contributions can be voluntary, your employer decides if they're pre-tax or after-tax. If they're after-tax, you won't owe taxes when you take them out in retirement. 401ks usually feature voluntary employee contributions, often pre-tax. But here's another cool option: Roth 401ks. With a Roth, you pay taxes on your contributions up front, but then all your earnings grow tax-free, and your withdrawals in retirement are also tax-free. That's a huge benefit. And here's a hot tip for 2025. If you're 50 or older and earn over $145,000, your catch-up contributions to a 401k must be Roth or after tax. Plus, remember that sweet tax credit for low to moderate income earners who save for retirement? Do not leave money on the table. Now, what do you do with all this money once it's in the plan? You invest it. That's the real magic. Both 401ks and 401as offer a variety of investment options, from stocks and bonds to mutual funds. The exact choices depend on your plan, but you can typically pick what aligns with your retirement goals and risk tolerance. It's your financial adventure, and you get to steer the ship. Once invested, these funds need managing. Your employer might hire a professional, or your plan might use robotically managed portfolios, which are super popular now. Sometimes you can even choose to manage your own investments within the plan, taking a hands-on approach to your financial future. Just remember, there are often small fees associated with these plans, like a small percentage annually or a flat fee. Always check those details. Every penny counts when it comes to long-term growth. Speaking of growing, these plans are designed for the long haul. They're considered tax-deferred, meaning you don't owe taxes until you withdraw the funds. That's why the IRS has rules about taking money out. Once you hit 5912, you can withdraw without penalty. But if you try to take money out earlier, you'll generally face a 10% penalty, plus regular income taxes. There are exceptions, though, like if you become permanently disabled or if the funds go to a named beneficiary after your passing. What if you change jobs before retirement? No worries. If you're under 5912, you can often roll over your funds into another qualified retirement plan without penalty, as long as you do it within a set time frame. It's like moving your treasure chest from one safe location to another. And in some cases, you might even be able to take a loan from your 401a or 401k to cover unexpected expenses. Just be aware of the restrictions, repayment terms, and interest. So, let's sum up the pros and cons. On the upside, both plans offer fantastic tax benefits, letting you save with pre-tax dollars. They're also flexible investment tools, allowing you to diversify and personalize your portfolio. For employers, offering a competitive 401k can be a huge magnet for top talent, benefiting both the company and the employees. But there are downsides too. Those early withdrawal penalties can sting if you're in a financial bind. There are also administrative costs and investment management fees to consider, though the growth typically far outweighs them. And like any investment, there's always some risk, even if these funds statistically tend to grow over time. Finally, employers do have reporting and disclosure requirements they need to meet. In a nutshell, 401a and 401k plans are powerful retirement savings options with a few key differences. 401as are common in the public and nonprofit sectors, while 401ks dominate private companies. It's rare for someone to have both, but regardless of which one your employer offers, taking advantage of it is a smart move. You're building a stronger financial future and enjoying those sweet tax benefits along the way.
Northwest Registered Agent can assist you in streamlining several crucial small business tasks. They offer to walk you through the formation process for free. When you create a free account with Northwest, you'll gain access to online tools for LLC formation, maintenance walkthroughs, and company document creation. All you have to pay is your state's filing fee. If you're confused or find these steps difficult, Northwest will file your paperwork for as little as $39 plus your state filing fee. This option includes compliance filing, phone service, and lifetime support from local corporate guides. If you choose to pay in full for Northwest's LLC formation service, you'll be charged a $39 service filing fee plus an expedited filing fee that varies based on the state of incorporation. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even offer a service where they will file your LLC for you, saving you the hassle. The full review and tutorial of Northwest Registered Agent are also provided in the description below. Thank you for watching till the end. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section, and I will try to answer them as well as possible.